Working on a Fender Eliminator kit, customized. So I bought a piece of metal from Home Depot. Measure from here to here. Then I cut it, bore holes in it for the screw to go through, there and there. And but you gotta round up the edge of the metal because it's like rounded. They're gonna show you. I round it up with my this is one of the metal. I'm gonna bolt the license plate to cut this and bolt the license plate to this. Is like a L shape metal. This is the one. The piece I bought at Home Depot. I don't know the size. Maybe like look like a 1 inch or a 3/4 inch. So this is what I use. Put it from there to there, measure it, cut it. Then I use I get like a penny, put on the edge like that, round it and draw a line. Then I use this, which I don't think everybody gonna have this. I have this in my toolbox. So I use this to cut the little, to cut it. It's a little saw, a little handsaw. Use to cut and get the round edge. There. Now I'm just checking to make sure the measurement and everything is right with that. Then what I'm gonna do now, I cut this, I think it's like a 4-inch pieces off of this one. And now I'm gonna put it there, 2 pieces. I'm gonna bore it, a hole in that, a hole in this piece, also on the other side, and a hole in this piece up here, 2 holes. So I'm gonna bore one here, one there, one over here, one, and on this piece. I got 2 pieces. And then I'm gonna cut this for the size of my license plate. And then I'm gonna so that's the piece I got. There's like a 3/4. That's the size of the L-shaped one. So I'm gonna bolt my license plate. Put a hole there and there. Bolt the license plate to it. So the license plate gonna be like this. No, yeah, it's gonna be up here. So I don't want this to touch. If I put it here, it could work, but I don't want it to be bended like this. It could work like that, but I don't know. So I'm planning on putting it here. Give it a little, set it on an angle like this. Yeah. I will show you the finished product when I finish. Okay. So this is what I was talking about. You gotta round up the edge because when you cut it, it's square. So you gotta round it up like this for it to so it could fit inside of this. See, it's kind of a round edge. So it fit inside like that. Either way. Not really final anyway, but this is what they're gonna look like. I end up have to curve this a little bit more. So that's I'm gonna sand it down and spray it black. this is what it's gonna look like. I'm gonna bolt it in there. In that. Up in there. It's gonna look like that. Then I have the light to go here. I'm gonna put the light up right here to shine on it. So that's the looks. So this is what it's gonna look like. I also bought this light on Amazon. I think I'm going to stick it here. Maybe bore a hole here or somewhere. Yeah, I think I'm going to stick it there. License plate light. I'm going to put the link on it. And put the link for it on Amazon. Okay. Alright, if you like this video, please like, share, or a thumbs up. Alright, thank you. Bye.